How do FASTag works? Remember the time when standing in a long lines was a burning task? Or on the other hand, when you needed to go from store to purchase only couple of things? Indeed, digitization across different sectors has made human exertion less by use edge, making regular tasks simple, fast and helpful. Furthermore, this technology is being taken from your home onto the streets. Nowadays, people have started using a FASTag sticker on their cars to pay for tax on toll plazas. Being a very efficient technology which saves time and also encourages the Digital India scheme, but also proved very helpful in controlling the spread of coronavirus as it limited social distancing. Welcome back to Thought Control, and today we are going to discuss how FASTags work. So what is a FASTag? FASTag is an embed chip that has an antenna which uses radio frequency technology to scan the barcode which is on the FASTag slip pasted on the front glass of your car. Your FASTag is linked to a prepaid account where the payments are made through RFID. RFID is a short for radio frequency identification and refers to a technology where digital data encoded in RFID tags or smart labels are captured by a reader via radio waves. RFID is similar to barcoding in that data from a tag or label are captured by a device that stores the data in a database. It has an advantage over other barcode scanner as the RFID scanner can read outside the line of sight, whereas barcode need to scan directly to the level of barcode. The prepaid FASTag account will be debited from the transaction, which makes payment easier. For instance, you can also link your HDFC Bank saving account or current account to FASTag for electronic toll payments. For this, you need to get a FASTag profile for your vehicle first, for which you can log on to HDFC Bank FASTag portal or make the payment through the recharge option using a debit or credit card or net banking. What are the benefits of using FASTag? When your FASTag account has started, the fixed tax will be naturally deducted from your record each time your vehicle goes through a FASTag toll booth. The public authority has instructed the National Highway Authority of India to change overall the toll tax barriers across the national highway network into FASTag lane. Thus, FASTag will be more effective in India for the days to come. Let's talk about more advantages. Number 1. In a clear offer to promote FASTag, up to 2.5% cashback is being offered on all national cost payment utilizing FASTag during the monetary year 2019-20. Number 2. You don't need to experience the tedious task of moving your vehicle slowly while approaching the toll plaza. This will save your fuel and time as you pass by toll taxes. At a more full-scale level, this can help decongest toll plaza and also manage traffic jam. Number 3. When you take a lengthy drive across the country, you will run over a ton of toll taxes. A driver from Delhi to Bombay has around 21 toll plaza, where you can wind up spending more than 1400 rupees. Having a FASTag can give you a totally bother-free driving experience as your label deals with your tax payment obligation. It likewise implies you don't need to carry money or change for tax payments. Number 4. With FASTag, it is simpler to monitor your toll tax payments. FASTag users get SMS and email alarms on their enlisted numbers and email that sends you notification every time you cross a toll gate. Plus, there is a devoted online interface to FASTag users through which they can get to their account statement. Number 5. Having a FASTag also offers added benefits like emergency FASTag road assistance and accidental death cover. These facilities can be of great use for fleet operators who have many drivers and vehicles plying on highways. Number 6. FASTag is also good for the environment as it reduces paperwork and saves fuel, both of which are eco-friendly features of the electronic toll collection system. Another big reason for you to go electronic is that if you enter a FASTag lane without a FASTag, you will be required to pay double the toll amount. It happened with me. I paid double in Delhi. The government has also made FASTag mandatory for acquiring third-party insurance for your vehicle. To incentivize its popularity, the government seeks to transform FASTag into a multi-utility payment tool. So, what are you waiting for? Take your keys and go for a drive, man. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any feedback, Please let us know in the comment section below. And do not forget to share and subscribe the channel. Bye bye.